we own a detailing and ceramic coating division here too at High Tech Deck. Zach is working on a removal of a competitor's product that failed in a year.
When the customer came to us with the boat, the deck needed to be replaced. There was a lot of weathering and just wasn't how it should be. So what we have to do is now remove the deck, prep it for the new decking, and then put the new decking in.
We want to service the customer. There's a need for these services and the customers are unable to get service.
Today we were doing an adhesive removal, basically just removing the foam first, and then what we'll do is go at it with some chemicals and some razor blades just to remove any adhesive so that the next foam that we're going to install is going to adhere perfectly to the deck without any issues.
It's white glove service here. We treat your boat as if it was my own. We're not going to do a mediocre job. Your boat is worth a lot of money. You worked hard for your boat. You want someone to take care of it as if you were taking care of it.
The finished product of this project for the customer is to basically have a clean boat that's easy to maintain, easy to clean water spots, fish blood, guts, whatever you want to throw at it. It's basically turning the boat into a front non-stick frying pan essentially, to where nothing will stick to it and make ease of cleaning and owning a boat much easier.